Okay, let's do this thing. Hello, this is Rick. I'm presenting to you TaroDOT. So TaroDOT is actually an online tarot reading system built on the Polkadot chain ecosystem using a star. And you can check it out right now. You can go to TaroDOT.net. You need the Polkadot extension installed, and you need a little bit of the Shiden test token to use it right now. Our team's a mix of students, and we have Sam and Drimpu from BC and Northeastern, respectively, and then you have myself, Richard Carback, Alberto, and Aaron are all professional software engineers. So tarot is used as a way of, getting essentially calming you down about your future, right? So you go to a tarot reader, they give you a reading, and that's supposed to give you guidance on how you're going to approach the problems you're worried about. It has a roughly $1.3 billion market cap in the U.S. I suspect much bigger worldwide, and it's a very interesting game that people play, and there's a lot of people who really rely on it. And as far as we know, we couldn't find anybody who's done anything with this in the crypto space, much less doing NFTs. So when you use tarot, you're primarily using it for comfort. You get a new reading every day, and then secondly, we really are looking forward to adding NFT readings to it, where you can track your history over time. Let's take a look at a demo of of TaroDOT. And this is our teammate Alberto. He's going to take a picture of himself, and then we're going to see the Polkadot extension integration pop up.
Static website and chain, and then put in parentheses underneath those boxes like visual ones there, right?
And then that's going to get submitted to the chain. It's going to draw the cards. And look at each one. So these are all tied to crypto OGs. For the lovers, we chose the couple that stole a ton of Bitcoin and went on the run for many years. The moon for Zuko Wilcox. He's the founder of Zcash, which is a private cryptocurrency. And who is our third card? So we got Nick Szabo. That's he invented smart contracts. How we use them. It's actually a really good card. And that's our demo. And now we have what you saw. So there's no back end here. It's a static website that's just hosted, and we do a live on-chain write using the Polkadot extension, and then we read from that write using the Astar libraries, which we got from their documentation. And that is interacting with a smart contract written in Ink, which is the Astar smart contract language. And then what we wanted to do but did not get to is actually issuing an NFT to Unique from that, and then reading that and being able to read those NFTs over time. As far as the code we wrote, it was 6.2 millisheiden to actually deploy, which is fractions of a penny. That's really good in terms of price. The draws are also very similar. I think they're 0.0001. And then we have 1,500 lines in Next.js that's running the front end right now. And the smart contract itself is pretty simple. It's about 120 lines of Rust. And you can see the smart contract on Subscan. We've posted a couple links. And it's also linked in our README for you to check out. You can see people using the contract. And since we've released it on Telegram not that long ago, we've had, I think, about 20 people use it already, and that's slowly counting up. So people even at the hackathon are loving this thing. One of the technical contributions we've made here is Astar doesn't have a VRF, so we actually built one. Not sure it's the VRF that Astar would want, but it's a functioning VRF that other people can use as a model. And our future plans here are we would love to have an email or SMS or some sort of ping on Telegram or WhatsApp every day to encourage daily use. We'd love to have some sort of reward system with NFTs. If you can collect them, you can get like an extra reading or something like that. We'd love to have a social sharing button We'd love to get monthly subscriptions or an ad-based model in place to actually pay for it. And then we'd love to have some sort of NFT card marketplace where users can generate their own NFTs and then either share them with their friends or sell them on the marketplace itself. This is our team. We're all very tired, and I apologize if I'm rambling. Aaron was not able to make that photo, but he's definitely a good part of the team. You've got Alberto on the left, Rimpu, myself, and then Sam. And then here's all our LinkedIn QR codes if you guys want to check us out. And I want to show you guys a little bit of the code. Let me bring that up. So we have 2 repositories. We actually created a GitHub organization. Oh, sorry, let me show you the contract first. So you can build the contract with cargo contract build, right? And then once you do that, you can go back and let's take a look at some of the stuff here. Let's see. We're going to take a look at our actual contract and I will show it to you. So we have a structure that holds like an account and then the drawing for that account. And then we have the actual Taro contract itself, which holds all of those contract information. And it accepts a fee, and then it holds the readings. And then the readings themselves are done with this draw command, and it will store each reading after you call it. And then we have some management functions underneath. So pretty cool. This is how you build it. And that's it. So the Taro UI, that's a standard app here. You can do npm run dev, and that'll run it. Let me show you some of the cool parts of that. Source app page.tsx. And then this is like a whole bunch of state that we manage, and then right here is the Polkadot extension integration. We're just pulling the accounts. And if you look up here, you'll see that we pull them from the Polkadot extension DApp library. And you can see we're generating a seed off of that image. Let me show you that seed. It's really cool how that works. So we actually capture your image and then we encode it using a hash, and then we send that seed out to the contract. And let's take a look at the draw. Where's the draw function? So I believe the draw function is from contracts. Take a look here, draw right here, and that'll draw and take the result, and then we use that to shuffle the cards. And you can see all of our shuffling logic here. Just a seeded random number generator and then a shuffle function, and that'll do it. And let me make sure I haven't missed anything. I'll take a look at my notes here. How your project works, we showed that. How the GitHub repo works, a demo of everything working. Yep, I think we got everything in the requirements. And so have a great day. Thank you very much for hosting the hackathon.